This video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Bydes. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that the customers store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, you can clearly see that you can open the files without any problems, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other information. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Bydes ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So pretty soon you'll see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You will notice that this Bydes ransomware adds this special extension to the files. Well, in my case, it's BBAcBcbEBD. BBAcBcbEBD. No matter what file you try to open, you notice that it has been given this particular extension. And it is not possible to use the files anymore. They are encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. So we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, because if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. You may simply pay the money without getting your data restored. So don't pay the ransom. So this Bydes ransomware is the result of poor protection of the system by the existing security program. First thing we recommend you to do, well, you can still see some files not encrypted. It's a good idea that you check the task manager and try to terminate or end the suspicious tasks that are running in the background. So if you find them, you need to end their task immediately. We also recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then start carefully researching and investigating your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. So the application should first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware, including Bydes. Wait until the scanning has been completed. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Now, this feature is the part of the premium license only. You need to wait some time until the scanning has been fully completed. Combo Cleaner antivirus will give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning, and it will show you the exact locations of these threats on your computer, and you'll be able to remove some threats manually, but we do recommend upgrading to premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.